Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will go over how to pay credit card bill in ScotiaBank. So, let's begin. First, what we need to do is open the ScotiaBank. And next is sign into your account. What we need to find next is the transfer tab. Next, tap on between my accounts to pay Scotia credit card. After that, select your account that you would like the money to come from. Select credit card and enter the amount you would like to pay. And lastly, you need to review your settings and amount. And when you're ready, just slide to transfer. After that, you will then receive a payment confirmation and reference number. So, that is how to pay credit card bill in ScotiaBank. And that's everything for this video. If it helped, please leave a like and subscribe.